All right, guys, so as I can see, I'm on the side of the road. But at least the truck has its new wheels on it. So the wheels aren't bad, actually. That was actually never the problem. You know? So those wheels are fine. But my freaking U-joints just snapped on me. So I was literally on my way home. I was like, okay, cool, I got new wheels, whatnot. We're good to go. Nope. But yeah, you know, at least the truck looks better. Yeah. But it is what it is. Hopefully right now we can get it home, lift it up, and you know, hopefully if they have the U-joints in stock, I'll change out the U-joint real quick, and hopefully that should be it. Maybe the carrier bearing, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah. All right, so we got my brother's new truck out here, you know, new whip. Oh yeah, fun times. And Zito over here in the back, Boosted Zito, or old Boosted Zito. Yeah, I'm gonna take the truck home and yeah, hopefully we can fix it right now. All right, guys, so currently, like I said, getting towed back or pulled back, whatever. Now the truck actually runs like super smooth with these new wheels and tires, like all brand new tires all the way around. And yeah, so hopefully we should be back here in about maybe 10 minutes or so, back to the house. And yeah. All right, guys, so we made it back to the house and got the truck back in the driveway again. And I think we're just gonna leave it like this for right now till tomorrow. And then once I get off work tomorrow, I'll go buy the new U-joint. Oh, look, you can take a look at it right here. The new U-joint, because this thing got messed up. Yeah. Or in case if for whatever reason the differential itself, like where it goes bolted onto, completely messed up, I have another one right there, and that was a posi. This one I don't think is a posi, but yeah. But anyways, guys, so like I said, we'll be back tomorrow, hopefully with parts, and we can get this thing running. But whenever I was getting pulled over here, the truck honestly felt a whole lot smoother from what it previously felt like, because it was real bad. So at least that's one thing, you know, it's good. So yeah, but till tomorrow, guys. All right, guys, so day 2. So we got the truck lifted up in the air, already secured. Got my brother right here, Miguel. And then let's see what's, I haven't gotten underneath yet, but let's see what happened on the bottom of the truck. Well, yeah, so the caps just broke and completely messed up. So luckily the rear end itself didn't get messed up that much, I guess, or right there where it goes. So hopefully just go get a cap real quick or a new U-joint and fix it, because that one's still pretty good. The holes haven't broken off on either side anymore. So yeah, hopefully just get a new U-joint for it and everything should be okay. But so far it looks okay. All right, guys, so we got the caps off, and yeah, this is the one that broke. So pretty sure it's just old and worn out and messed up the U-joint from the drive shaft, which is right here. So yeah, hopefully we just, like I said, we'll go buy a new one right now, replace it, put it back in, and hopefully everything should be fine. But that's great. All right, guys, and so for these U-joints, my bad, since they don't have the locking ring or whatever, basically you heat it up where the little dot is right there on the side right here. Once you get it hot, it'll ooze out, and then that way you'll be able to just punch it off and just put it in the. All right, guys, so we got the new U-joint in, and this is the part number for it, in case y'all were wondering. For the rear, you know, rear wheel drive, whatever, it might be a little bit different for y'all depending on the drive shaft, but these have the half moons on the inside, both top and bottom, and on right here on the end caps. But they have the other ones where they have the locking rings, like I said, on the very top right here. But you know, like I said, this one doesn't use those kinds. But yeah, we're about to get the drive shaft back underneath there and slap it back on. Hopefully the truck works. But we'll be right back. All right, guys. So we got the truck back together. Got the drive shaft, or the other half shaft or drive shaft, whatever you want to call it, back together. Got to put it on with the new U joints and adjusted the center sector carrier bearing a little bit. So now it's actually has a little bit more slack. So I think it was just too far back, like my brother said. But yeah, we got to put the truck down right now, and hopefully that's it. But who knows? So we'll give it a shot right now, and yeah. So now we got the truck back out. We tried it out already. We went down the street, or up and down the street. The truck works fine now, and like I said, this is how it looks with the new wheels on it. You know, I like it. Not too bad. But supposedly it rides better. I haven't driven it yet, but my brother said it drives a whole lot better than what it used to. But we got Robert right here in the back, and then Sergio over there on that side. You can't see him, but yeah. Like I said, unfortunately, I had to fix this one instead of upgrading it, buying, you know, because I was planning on doing the camera or whatever. But now that's gonna have to wait for next time. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And like I said, unfortunately, the truck kept messing up. Look at these fools. Oh, here we're getting this one. We're about to put the motor on this one right now. This is not ours, it's for a customer, but we gotta clean up all this mess that I made, and then we gotta get that one done too. And like I said, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like and subscribe down below, and also comment to see what else y'all would like to see, or you know, if y'all like this content or not. You know, let us know. But yeah, thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Choncho.
Estamos.
Yeah.